Well, there you go. That was a creation of one of my own pieces. But I'm really glad for the emergency maintenance company coming out here. I've had them for about almost 12, 13 years now. And they've come out and done all the work that's needed to be done in the middle of the winter, in the middle of the summer. And they do a good job. They're good workers. They're in there. They're out there. They do it. It works when they leave. And I can't express my gratitude for them to the highest. They really are, and I'm glad. I even call them personally when I need it. Instead of going through my home maintenance company, I'll use them. I'll call them and they'll come right away. So it's a good group of people. You can count on them very much. It's good pricing, good everything. They communicate well. So thank you, emergency maintenance company. I appreciate it so much. My name is Wayne Carr, and I live in Kennett Square. Thank you so much. Have a good day.